Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a group of animals who were the best of friends. They included a clever rabbit named Robbie, a wise owl named Oliver, a kind-hearted deer named Daisy, and a brave squirrel named Sammy. One sunny day, as they were playing near a sparkling stream, they noticed a small bird trapped in a net. The bird chirped for help, and the animals rushed to its aid. Together, they worked tirelessly to free the bird from the tangled net. Finally, with their combined efforts, they set the bird free. The grateful bird thanked them all and flew away. The animals felt proud of their teamwork and the happiness they brought to the little bird's life. From that day on, they realized the power of unity and decided to help others in need whenever they could. Soon, news spread about the helpful animals, and creatures from all over the forest sought their assistance. The animals never turned anyone away and continued to work together to solve problems and bring joy to others. The forest became a harmonious place, filled with love and compassion, all because of the animals' selfless acts. They proved that by working together and showing kindness, they could make a difference in the world. And so, the moral of the story is, when we come together and help one another, we create a world where kindness and happiness can flourish.